Well, here we are. This is part 2 of the clock chime video. The dial is set to St. Michael's, which is the second adjustment. First is Westminster, second is St. Michael's. So we're going to take a look again at the chiming mechanism. Now, this one has 8 chime rods because it's a triple chime. And later on, you'll be able to see the Whittington. This one has a Whittington. I guess you could say it's standard with all clocks. Well, it's about 10:58. There we are, and off the whack. And you'll also hear the Seiko going off as well. This kind of goes off along the lines of Ridgeway. Kind of sounds exactly like a Ridgeway clock. But the body is kind of like Howard Miller. As you can see, the got little circles around the numbers. And let's get in position. Camera right here. Hope the case I definitely don't drop this thing. Probably not the handle. Here we go. With any luck here, it should go off. I keep looking over here, I'm sorry. Just gotta make sure. Yep, it's about to go off. Let's point that right there. Okay, well, that's St. Michael's. And we'll listen to Seiko as well. Here we go. Oh, that's funny. It's right on time with the, Hey, beautiful. There's the pendulum. It looks like your average Verdette clock. And this one should go off as well. It's a Seiko. Come on. Well, I guess we have what we need. Bye-bye.